Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to draw an isometric view in SolidWorks software, and also I'll show the view of top view, side view, and front view, and also I'll show how to calculate the volume and mass of these materials, and I'll show the math in practically. You will find it comment box. So at first I'm going to the file and taking the new and select the part. Okay, after that I'm going to the IPS for selecting the units. CGS units is taking, then taking the plane. Front plane is selected. Go to the features and select the extruded boss. I'm taking the line command. Sketch a line from origin point upwards, then right way, then downwards, right way, upwards, right way, and downwards. Okay, and close it. Right button is click, then select. After that, go to the smart dimension and determine the dimension. This one will be 1 centimeter. Okay, and this portion is 0.5 centimeter, and this portion is also 1 centimeter. Also defaults 1 centimeter. Okay, then the dimension from here to here, it will be 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and from here to here it will be 2 centimeter, and the dimension from the middle one, okay, this one is 3 centimeter. Okay, done. Then I'm going to exit it. Okay, the thickness will be 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, then okay, done. Then I will create a hole in this section. That's why I'm selecting the extruded cut. You click on this surface and going to the center rectangle, sketch it. Okay, sketch, then go to the smart dimension and determining the circle diameter is 1 centimeter. Okay, then exit it. And go to the blind and click on the scroll. Okay, the isometric view is done. Then I'm going to select this one and going here, the top view. This one is the top view, and this one is the front view. Here hole is created, that's why invisible line, and this one is the right view. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, and front view is again. This one is the front view, and this one is the top view. All views are shown. After that, I am going to the original view, 3D view. Now I am going to select the materials. Going here, edit materials. I am taking this materials is medieval custom. Okay. Then going to the evaluate and select the mass properties, and this density is 7.30 gram per cubic centimeter, and the mass is 92.82 grams. Volume is 12.71 cubic centimeters, and the surface area is 55.57 square centimeters. So these are the specifications. I think everybody got it, how to draw it, how to show the views. I think you are benefited. So the redesign engineering is always with you. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share.